Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox WD Solid State Drive M.2 2280 variant. Now what is SSD? SSD is a flash storage and has no moving parts whatsoever. SSD storage is much faster than its HDD equivalent. HDD storage is made up of magnetic tape and has mechanical parts inside. They are larger than SSD and much slower to read and write. Solid state drive is newer, faster type of device that stores data on instantly accessible memory chips. So let's get started with the unboxing. WD offers two types of SSDs, 2.5-inch 7mm variant which uses one SATA port and one power connector. The other one is M.2 2280. If you have on-board SSD connector, this variant is for you. ये डायरेक्टली मदरबोर्ड पर इंस्टॉल हो जाता है जिससे वैल्यूएबल SATA पोर्ट यूटिलाइज नहीं होता. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स ओपन इट. Inside this box, there is one multilingual user manual. And a well-packed SSD. One of the best features about this SSD is it is very lightweight and shock resistant. It has no moving parts just like RAM. It keeps your data safe from loss in case of accidental bumps and drops. We insert this part on motherboard and this part is screwed in for safekeeping. Let me zoom in for you for closer look. It is amongst the lowest power consuming drives in the industry, which is good for laptop owners. It comes with 3 years warranty. होप करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन और अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब फॉर ऑल फ्यूचर वीडियोस. आगे बहुत सी अनबॉक्सिंग की वीडियो आने वाली है तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. तो मिलते हैं ऐसे ही किसी एक्साइटिंग वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.